Hello, everyone. Welcome to English for Beginners. Today's lesson is very important. We will practice hello and goodbye. Also, basic greetings and polite expressions. Let's begin. Today's word is hello. You say hello when you greet someone, and you say it when you meet someone. For example, hello, my name is Mark. Another example, hello, how are you? Now repeat after me. Hello, hello, hello. Very good. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Goodbye. See you later. Excellent. You are now speaking English. Here is your beginner tip for today. Repeat often. You do not need long study time. Repeat short sentences every day. 5 minutes a day is powerful. Your brain learns when you repeat, repeat, repeat. Keep it simple. Keep going. Now, say this with me. I can speak English. Great. One more time. I can speak English. Yes, yes, you can. Here are a few more polite expressions. Once again, listen and repeat. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Practice these every day. If you're ready to start speaking English with real structure and step-by-step lessons, I created a full course just for you. It's called English for Beginners, A1, Step 1, Your First Hello. It's available now at mksenglish.com, and it's only 300 yen. This course is perfect for absolute beginners, travelers, job seekers, and anyone who wants to speak English with confidence. Inside the course, you get an easy-to-follow lesson, real-life conversations, interactive activities, of course, professional ESL teaching, and flexible learning at your own pace. You'll learn English words and phrases, basic sentence building, speaking and pronunciation tips, listening skills, and listening skills. If today's episode helped you, imagine what you can do with the full course. Go to the course link in the description and start today. Only 300 yen. Thank you for listening. Goodbye, and see you in the next lesson.